Hello everyone, nice to see you again. This is Rachel from Laikeda Appliance. Welcome to visit our broadcasting room. Today we are going to talk about our thermopod. You can see I show you one, a bigger one and a smaller one. A bigger one with beautiful painting on the body, another one with silver color on the body. Okay, let's see from the appearance, and I will introduce you the product by this one. You can see this one with the capacity ventilator. We have the big water level here, and this is marked capacity. You can also write the real capacity or other smaller capacity on this place. Also, we have the beautiful control panel design. You can see different pattern here. And you can print your logo here. Also, you can make a logo sticker. Some metal logo sticker you can also stick here. Also, you can see we have 1, 2, 3 buttons and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 indicator lights for you on the control panel. This one do not have LED display and will only at the temperature setting. If you have the requirements for the LED display, you can also tell us and we will make the LED display for you. This is the electric pump button here. You can see the button is very big and easy for you to touch it. And you can see the decoration. They are the same, so it looks more beautiful. Also, our lid, you can see diamond. Looks more shining than the normal surface. Looks more beautiful. And we also have the open lid button. You can see our inner pod stainless steel and can help you to solve the dust and scale occurring on the bottom of inner pod. Also, you can see our inner lid with rubber ring. And you can see the body here. We also have the rotary base, 360. You can make the thermopod from different direction and get your water easily. So when 3 people sit before me, and here, and the small pot is like this. They no need to stand up and get the water in the middle. Just a rotary thermopod, and they can get water in 3 directions or different directions. Also get water from my side, so it's very easy to use. We have the air pump lid on the top. You can see here. We also have the air pump lock. This red picture shows the air pump is locked, and blue one shows the air pump is unlocked. Also here we have the hot steamer hole. And you can make some sticker or make some signal near here to remind any user from hurt by this hole. Also, we have the top catch button here. And this machine we have three-way dispenser. First one is air pump. Another one electric pump. Third one called touch. So compare with the normal thermopod, which has 3-way dispenser, we make more decoration on these products. We add our thoughts, and we also hope you can give us your suggestion and advice for the designing or function adding we will make for you. So remember, your advice and suggestion is very important for us, and we hope during our cooperation in future, we can upgrade our products all the time. Then I want to introduce you our body painting. It is really a special design. You can see it looks more luxury. You can choose the pictures as you like, and we will make the effect picture for you, and you can check which one is best for your market and which one your customers like best. Also, based on the normal specification, basic specification, we can also add more upgrade specifications for you. For example, you want to add one more controller. You want to change the inner port in other materials, such as thermo. We can also make it for you. Just tell me your requirements. Nothing is a problem. For this model, we also add a switch on and off button to make the product more safe and increase its security. Button here. So everything we can do. Just we want to know what you want. If you do not like this painting or you think this painting is beautiful, you can also contact us and hope you can like it. Please remember, for the control panel, you can also make your own design on the buttons, on the place here, on your logo design. Okay, for this one, we can see the appearance from the top and bottom. Now I will show you our exact functions, how the machine gives water. Let's use the smaller one to make function show. Firstly, you can see our plug power line. It is detachable. This is VDE plug. VDE plug. If you are from other countries, not from Europe, for example, you are from Great Britain or Latin American or any other countries, we can make the plug for you. Just show me your pictures and tell me the specifications you want. Let's connect the power line with machine and socket. You can see the indicator on. Indicator on. Now the machine coming into boiling process. It will boil the tap water into 100 degrees. After boiling into 100 degrees, you can adjust the temperature for different keep warm level. From this body, we can see we have 95, 85, 45. We have three level temperature setting. And you can press this button here for temperature setting. For example, if you want to make a cup of hot tea, you can choose the temperature at 95. And make a hot coffee, you can choose at 85. If you have a baby, you want to make a milk for the child, you can choose 45. So each temperature has each function and can meet your each requirement. After boiling, our machine will come into keep warm function. And if you want to get different temperature, you can press temperature setting button. After you set the keep warm temperature and you want to make the water coming into 100 degrees again, you can also press this button reboil. Press this button reboil here. Reboil. Our machine will boil the water again and boil the water into 100 degrees. So we consider each requirements, possible requirements for customers. We can also add LED display for the customers and let the end user see the temperature setting directly. Also, we have the big electric pump button, and for people to use it more easily. Now the water is boiling, and I will show you how the water coming out. We have 3-way dispenser. First one is air pump, second one is electric, and also have the couple T. First one, let's show the air pump. Let's unlock in the blue picture, unlock, get water. Okay, you can see the water come out frequently. Also, we have the electric pump. Before you press the electric pump button, please unlock this button. Press unlock. You can see water also come out more frequently. Third one is for cup touch. Here you can see the water coming out very frequently. No any block inside. So for this machine, we really use a good quality spare parts to ensure the durable for customer using. And we use good quality inner port and can solve the rust and scale bothering for customers. People maybe in their country, their water is a little hot, and after some weeks use, they will get some rust and scale problems on the bottom. And our stainless steel have the certificates for the contents, and we can solve these problems very well. So for this one, after we give the water and the direction, we can also change. So during your use, this machine really have the big convenience for you, and you can also take it to any place. But remember, cut off the electricity before you take it everywhere. Now the water is coming into boiling process, and then it will come into keep warm. Let's wait some seconds. For this model, we can make several capacities, and we can make the capacities from 3 liter to 7 liter. And you can tell us the liters for your market required, and we will make it for you. Also for this body, you can see it is silver, metal color. And if you want to make it into brush effect or make painting like this, we can also produce for you. This one, we have a different flower painting or just a different pattern. You can also make only color painting. For example, if you like orange, you like sky blue, or you like some yellow, green, or any other colors, just give me your color plate sample, or just tell me your pattern number. We can also make it for you. You can see the hot steamer coming out from this hole, and the water is nearly 100 boiling. You can see during its boiling, our machine do not have big noise, so you can use it in your office, in your sitting room, and this machine cannot affect your working and rest. You can see the boiling indicator is flashing, foaming indicator is flashing, red indicator flashing. It is begin to remind customer the water is coming into boiling and will finish its working again. At this time, you can set the different temperature. Maybe you want to have a cup of tea, you can set into 95, and make a coffee, you can set 85. Nearly boiling. For this sample, we can change the specification for you. Just tell me your requirements. Maybe you want to add double controller, and we will make it for you. Some customers pay more attention to anti-dry protection or overheat protection, and our machine can also meet your requirements at this standard. You can see keeping warm indicator. Blue indicator is on. Coming in to keep warm. And you can set temperature in different level. 85, 95. Okay, this is our products. And we are going to introduce you other products by my other colleagues. Just do not leave your equipment, and my other colleagues will give you a more wonderful broadcasting, and you can know our other products very well. Hope you can like our products, and this is Rachel from Laikeda Electrical Appliance. You can contact me by the following contact methods, and I will answer your questions at any time, and I will be online all the time and waiting for you. Thank you. See you.